When I first heard about Arabic gum, also known as Acacia gum, I thought that it was just another herbal powder gathering dust on health food store shelf. But after using it consistently for both internal and external health, it quickly earned a permanent place in my wellness cabinet. Now, whether you're into natural healing, holistic skincare, or DIY herbal remedies, Arabic gum must become your new favorite too. Now, let me walk you through how I use it, what benefits I've experienced, as well as the precautions that you should know before trying this gum. And let me tell you that it is now a daily part of my internal healing journey. I use it in first aid kit and skincare experiments as well. I've used it to settle my stomach, relieve sore throats, bind my homemade almond milk, and even speed up my children's wound recovery. Now, if you're curious about using Arabic gum in your own wellness routine, here's everything I've learned, including how to prepare it and what to watch out for. Now, first of all, what is it? Now, Arabic gum is a natural resin. It's harvested from the sap of Acacia trees. I think that's how they pronounce it. And primarily Acacia senegal and Acacia seal. These are two varieties of the trees, and it is water soluble dietary fiber that's been used for centuries across Africa, the Middle East, and South Asia. It's used for medicinal remedies, religious rituals, even in cooking and preservation as well, and in natural cosmetics. And it always has a wonderful, I would describe it as a mild, neutral taste, and it dissolves easily in water, and it forms like a gel-like consistency. And it has so many different applications. So in traditional herbalism, Arabic gum is considered cooling, moistening, and softening, especially beneficial for things like inflammation, irritation, and dryness. Now let's get to the internal uses. How can it help you with healing from the inside? Starting with number one, the top uses of this wonderful resin is as a digestive soother. So this is what I call my gut's best friend. And I started taking Arabic gum internally when I was struggling with chronic bloating, irregular bowel movements, and mild gastritis. I noticed in just a few days is that my morning bloating reduced dramatically. My digestion also felt calmer after meals, and I stopped reaching for antacids. And I was a big antacid fan as well. I used to just take one in the morning and one in the afternoon when the acid in my stomach was I just couldn't take it anymore, so I had to take them, especially during pregnancy as well, which is quite bad early in pregnancy. But since I switched to this wonderful Arabic gum,